Hello, boys. Welcome back to the English language class. Boys, today I am going to teach you a new topic in English language, that is conjunctions. Before we start, all of you please take your English language book and open page number 72. Page number 72. Let's start. There is one exercise given, a warm-up exercise on page number 72. Correct the errors in the use of joining words in these sentences. You need not to write anything right now. Just read these sentences as I am going to read it for you. You just listen to it very carefully and just try to think what is wrong in these sentences. The first one, I reached home but I did my homework. I reached home but I did my homework. Is it sounding correct, boys? No, there is some mistake. And what is the mistake? That we will see later on. First, we are going to read all these sentences. Number 2, we could not play outdoors and it was raining. We could not play outdoors and it was raining. Number 3, you can buy the pink dress because the yellow dress. These sentences are not correct at all. I think there is some mistake in all these sentences. Now let's see number 4. I like to play soccer but cricket. Oh my, I can't understand this sentence at all. It must be something very I don't know what is written in this sentence. I can't understand actually. Next, number 5. It is good to play in the sun in winter because not in the heat of summer. This sentence is not making any sense. Is it, boys? Is it making any sense? No. Now let's see the next one. Number 6. I like chocolate in my milk and I don't like sugar in it. I like chocolate in my milk and I don't like sugar in it. Chocolate is sweet only and sugar is also sweet. So this sentence is not grammatically correct. Number 7. He was late or he missed the bus. He was late or he missed the bus. This sentence is also incorrect. Number 8. The sun was warm because the wind was cool and pleasant. What does it mean? The sun was warm because the wind was cool and pleasant. How could it be? The sun was warm because the wind was cool and pleasant. Okay, now before finding out the errors in these sentences, let's see what is the mistake in this sentence. I reached home but I did my homework. When I reached home, I did my homework. I reached home but I did my homework, and you all know what does but means. Okay, so I reached home but I did my homework. It is incorrect. The correct sentence will be I reached home and I did my homework. When I reached home, I did my homework. Okay, so what word are we going to use? Yes, instead of but, we should be using and. I reached home and I did my homework. Number 2, we could not play outdoors and it was was raining. No, 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 no. The sentence is absolutely wrong. We could not play outdoors because it was raining. Yes, this is the correct word. Instead of and, we should use because. Number 3, you can buy the pink dress because the yellow dress. This is the absolutely wrong sentence. The correct one will be you can buy the pink dress or the yellow dress. This is the correct sentence. Instead of because, we should use or. Number 4, I like to play soccer, cricket, but cricket. I like to play soccer and cricket. Okay, I like to play soccer and cricket. Next, it is good to play in the sun in winter because not in the heat of summer. It is good to play in the sun in winter and not in the heat of summer. Instead of because, we have to use and. Number 6, I like chocolate in my milk, but I don't like sugar in it. Instead of and, we have to use the word but. Number 7, he was late or he missed the bus. He was late. Then which word should we use here? He was late and he missed the bus. Fine? Or you can say he was late because he missed the bus. Okay, both the words will be correct. He was late and he missed the bus. He was late because he missed the bus. Last, the sun was warm because the wind was cool and pleasant. The sun was warm. Try to find out the correct word. The sun was warm, but the wind was cool and pleasant. Yes. Now see boys, we have used different words to join these two sentences correctly. Now, why have we used these words but, and, or? Yes, we have used these words to join the two sentences. Okay? I reached home, I did my homework. These are two different sentences. I reached home, I did my homework. So when we have to join these two sentences, we have to use a correct word. Now the words which we use to join the two sentences are called conjunctions. These words are called conjunctions. And, but, or, because. There are many words which we use as conjunctions, but in your syllabus we are going to study only 4 words: and, but, or, and, because. Okay, so these words are called conjunctions. Now what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. The words and, but, or, and, because help to join words and sentences. Such words are called conjunctions. Understood? The words which we use to join two sentences are called conjunctions. Have you understood? Yes. Now suppose if we take this example, he was late or he missed the bus. So these are two sentences. He was late, he missed the bus. If we exclude this and, if we erase it, if we drop this or, then we are getting two sentences. See, he was late, he missed the bus. So when we have to join these two sentences, which word are we going to use? He was late and he missed the bus is also correct. He was late because he missed the bus. Okay. Now similarly, this sentence, if I take number 4, I like to play soccer but cricket. Suppose if I remove this word, I like to play soccer, I like to play cricket. Okay, I like to play soccer and cricket. So these are two sentences and we are joining these sentences by using particular word. Okay, like and, or, because and but. So these words are called conjunctions. And, but, or, because. These words are called conjunctions, and conjunctions are used to join two sentences. Now boys, how we are going to know when we have to use and, when are we going to use because, and when are we going to use but or. Okay, let me teach you. See page number 73. Take page number 73. We use and to join two words or ideas that are similar. Okay, when we are using the similar words, similar ideas, then we use and to join two words or two sentences of similar ideas, same ideas, then we use and. Okay, for example, I went to the mall and bought a new dress. Now if we remove this and, then we will get two sentences. I went to the mall, I bought a new dress. I went to the mall, I bought a new dress. So instead of repeating the word I, how we are going to join these two sentences? I went to the mall and bought a new dress. I went to the mall and bought a new dress. Understood? Okay. One more sentence. See this sentence. How we are going to use and? Suppose this sentence, dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Now see boys, we are repeating these words. Dog is a, dog is a. So instead of repeating the words, how we are going to join? Dog is a faithful and clever animal. In the next sentence, we have to drop these words. Dog is a. We are not going to write it again. We are not going to repeat. So dog is a faithful animal and clever. Dog is a faithful and clever animal. Understood? Okay, let's see the next one. B-U-T, but. When are we going to use this word but? Okay, we use but to join opposite ideas. Okay, we use but to join opposite ideas. We use and to join similar ideas, and we use but to join opposite ideas. See this sentence. She is tall, but her sister is short. Now see, these two words are opposite. Tall and short. What is the opposite of tall? Short. Okay? And we are using these two different ideas, and we have to join these two sentences. This sentence is, she is tall, her sister is short. So when we have to join these two sentences of opposite ideas, we will always use but, but. She is tall, but her sister is short. See one more example. Sam likes tea, his sister likes coffee. Sam likes tea, his sister likes coffee. Now see, these are two different ideas. Sam likes tea, sister likes coffee. Okay, so we have to join these two sentences of opposite ideas. Okay, so how we are going to join? We will use the word but. Sam likes tea, but his sister likes coffee. Understood? Okay, now see the next one. O-R, or. How do we use or? When are we going to use or? We use or to give a choice or an option. Okay? This is quite easy to understand. When we have been given a choice or an option, then we use the word or. Okay? See this sentence. Do you want to go to the mall? Do you want to go to a restaurant? These are two sentences. Do you want to go to the mall? Do you want to go to the restaurant? Now we have to join these two sentences. Now we have given a choice. Okay, either we should go to the mall or we should go to a restaurant. Okay, now do you want to go to the mall or to a restaurant? Got it? Now see this sentence. Do you want a cricket bat? Do you want a football? Do you want a cricket bat? Do you want a football? Now see boys, these two sentences, do you want? Do you want? These words are repeated. Do you want? And even also. Do you want a? Do you want a? So instead of repeating these words, we will join these two sentences together. And what we are going to use? Do you want a cricket bat or football? Okay? Do you want a cricket bat or a football also you can write, or football also. Okay? Both are correct. Do you want a cricket bat or a football? Clear? Now see, when are we going to use this word because? We use because to give a reason. A reason means to give an answer why. Okay? Now see this sentence. Lata was late for work. And why Lata was late for work? She had an accident. Why she came late? Why she was late? She had an accident. Lata was late for work because she had an accident. Now see, this sentence is giving this sentence. The second sentence is giving the answer to the first part of the sentence. Lata was late for work. Lata was late for work. Why Lata was late for work? What happened? Why was she late? She had an accident. Okay, Lata was late for work. She had an accident. So this second part is giving an answer to the first part. Lata was late for work because she had an accident. When we give answer to any question, we are going to use the word because, and when we have to give a reason to any sentence, then we will use because. Fine? As you can see in this sentence also, Lata was late for work because she had an accident. Now let's see one more sentence. I am working hard. I want to get good marks. I am working hard. Now I am working hard. But why I am working hard? Why am I working so hard? Yes, to get good marks. So I am working hard because I want to get good marks. I am working hard because I want to get good marks. Okay, so the second part is the answer to the first part of the sentence. It is asking a reason why I am working hard. I am working hard because I want to get good marks. So when we have to join two sentences to give a reason, then we will use the word because. Understood, boys? Now see the next one. I hope you all must have understood what are conjunctions. See, conjunctions are the words which join two sentences together. Okay? Now the words and, but, or, and because help to join words and sentences. Such words are called conjunctions. I hope you all must have understood. So, just go through this video carefully. Need not to write any sentences or anything right now in your copies. Just watch this video carefully, and one assignment, boys. These sentences you will be writing it yourself in your book only. No need to write the first this one. Correct the errors in the use of joining words in these sentences. No need to write this exercise in your copy. This exercise you will write only in your book. Okay? Once again I am repeating. I reached home and I did my homework. We could not play outdoors because it was raining. You can buy the pink dress or the yellow dress. I like to play soccer and cricket. It is good to play in the sun in winter, but not in the heat of summer. I like chocolate in my milk, but I don't like sugar in it. He was late because he missed the bus. The sun was warm, but the wind was cool and pleasant. Now these sentences you will be writing it only in your book, in your English language book. I hope you all must have understood what are conjunctions and how we are going to use and when we are going to use the different conjunctions like and, but, or, because. Okay? So watch this video carefully and do this work in your English language book and wait for the next video. God bless you. Take care.